Wall Street faces turbulence as Nifty opens under pressure, with FIIs pulling 80,200 crore rupees and crude oil surging on Middle East tensions. Weak Q2 results add to bearish momentum, capping upside potential. Stay tuned for key levels, buzzing stocks like Oberoi Realty and Tata Consumer, and insights into earnings reports from Bajaj Finance, Paytm, and more. Gift Nifty is pointing to a shaky start. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests turbulence and rocky environment quite likely, and most importantly, we suspect the bears are likely to come back with a vengeance and probably could lay Dalal Street under siege. Our call of the day suggests that any upside for benchmark Nifty is likely to be capped by the four negative catalyst. 1. Corporate India's Q2 earnings disappointment. 2. Intense FIIs selling. This October month, FIIs have pulled out over 80,200 crore rupees from Indian equities. 3. This Tuesday morning, crude oil futures are on the rise driven by Middle East tensions threatening supply disruptions. Heightened conflict between Israel and Hezbollah, and Israel's vows of retaliation against Iran, have increased geopolitical risks. Over the weekend, a Hezbollah drone targeted Prime Minister Netanyahu's residence, prompting Israel to launch a military offensive in Lebanon. 4. Traders also brace for Maharashtra Assembly polls, which will be held in a single phase on 20th November. Jharkhand polls will be held in two phases on 13th November and 20th. Counting of votes for the two states will take place on 23rd November. Long story short, confirmation of strength only above Nifty to 5-to-1 mark. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 20 to 62 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 30 to 26 crores. Sentiments are likely to turn risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating weakening momentum. FANO October month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index, is trading at 13.76 levels. Nifty PCR, 31st October, is at 0.92 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th October, is at 0.87. Nifty outlook, Nifty may receive fresh drubbing. Nifty, CMP to 4854. Support, 24,750 to 24,700. Resistance, 24,950 to 25,000. Range, 24,700 to 25,000. Bias, sideways. Bank Nifty, CMP 52094. Support, 51,900 to 51,850. Resistance, 52,250 to 52,300. Range, 51,850 to 52,300. Bias, sideways. The negative takeaway from yesterday's trade was that even HDFC Bank gaining 2.6% post its decent Q2 earnings did not come to Nifty Bull's rescue. Buzzing stocks. 1. Bajaj Housing Finance reported a 21% YoY rise in Q2 FY25 net profit, reach ING Rs 546 crore. This marks the Bajaj Housing Finance's first earnings report post its recently concluded IPO, which was oversubscribed 64 times and aggregating 3.24 lakh rupees crore. 2. Ultratech Cement shares slipped over 2% in yesterday's trade after the company reported weak Q2 FY25 results amidst a 36% fall in its consolidated net profit, which stood at 820 crore rupees for the quarter ended September 2024, compared to 1,281 crore rupees a year ago. 3. RBL Bank came under significant selling pressure in yesterday's trade, falling 14% to hit a 16-month low of 174 rupees and 91 paise. The decline was driven by the bank's disappointing September quarter performance, which highlighted challenges in the unsecured credit segment. 4. Tata Consumer Products stock price plunged 9% after the company reported a sluggish margin growth in the quarterly earnings for the second quarter of financial year 2024-25, Q2 FY25. 5. Oberoi Realty shares soared up to 3.70% to hit a high of 2,002 rupees and 60 paise per share. The rise in Oberoi Realty share price came after the company posted a strong set of September quarter results, Q2 FY25. Also helping sentiments were reports that Oberoi Realty has sold luxury homes worth 1,348 crore rupees in its newly launched 75-acre residential project at Thane in Mumbai metropolitan region. Q2 earnings reports to trickle in today, Tuesday, 22nd October, Bajaj Finance, Can Fin Home, Coforge, ICICI Prudential Life, Indus Tower, Mandem Financial, Paytm, Persistent.